PlantX Vodcast, episode 25, recap.
PlantX is your one-stop shop for everything plant-based. So if you're looking for grocery, meal delivery, juices now, and you'll meet Cassandra Troy, founder of Little West. And on that note, Cassandra, welcome to our show.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm thrilled to be here. I make a superfood coffee every morning. I use a dark roast coffee. I put collagen peptides in it, some 10 mushroom blend, some CBD, and a little bit of a superfood creamer. And I put it in my frother and froth it up and then pour it in my coffee.
Definitely, we haven't had anybody in 25 podcasts say anything like that. So that sounds awesome. I'm gonna have to give it a try.
Delicious.
I heard rumors that you used your wedding funds to actually get the company going, and you guys have this incredible energy to yourselves. So
we did start the business back in 2013. Andrew and I eloped in San Francisco. We were trying to figure out if we were going to do a wedding or not, decided not to do a wedding and decided to just put the money we had saved up for our wedding, or we were saving up for our wedding, and open up a 200 square foot juice bar next to our favorite hot yoga studio in LA. And at the time, we just thought we were going to have a juice bar. And we're like, we were so passionate about making juice and smoothies, and we wanted to make it for our community. And really, it started that simple. We went to the Santa Monica Farmers Market. We met a bunch of the local farmers, went to visit them at their farms, learned about, just everything that they do and their process. And then we started making juice, but we had no idea. We didn't build the business in a way that was like, oh, we're going to be a beverage brand and be on the shelf in a grocery store. We really just thought we would have a juice bar and maybe a second one down the road. And so, if I knew then what I know now, I would have definitely built the company much differently. But we are where we are. And within the first 3 months of us opening our business, we were asked to supply juices for Coachella in 2013. And we were like, yeah, of course. At that time, yes, of course, was the answer to everything. We still work with some of the farmers and a lot of the farmers that we started working with back in 2013, 2014. And for us, it's about trying to really support the local farms and making sure that they're doing it right, basically just cutting down on whatever carbon footprint we can. We also donate a % of all of our sales to Big Green Learning Gardens, teaching kids about the importance of real food. And for every time someone orders one of our Little West cases off of our website, we plant a tree with an incredible company called Eco Drive. And right now we're planting trees in Madagascar, and we're also creating employment for local villagers. The ingredients are everything. We really promote the fact that if there's an ingredient on our bottle, we will work for months to make the perfect blend because we want you to taste every single ingredient. And that means that for the clover, which is our signature green juice, we put pear in it. And no one in the juice world will touch pear because it's a really tricky ingredient. But we use it because it doesn't mask the beautiful, bright flavors of our kale and our cucumber. And we're not going to go to great lengths to source the best produce if we're just going to throw it into a bottle mindlessly. One thing that we talk about a lot is that we are 48 hours farm to bottle. And what that means is basically that we're working with these farms. They are harvesting it one day. We are buying it through the middle of the night. We're bringing it to our facility and we are prepping it and juicing it the following day. So we believe that you can taste the freshness.
At the end of the day, we're a technology company, but as we're getting all these customers who believe in us and try these products, we want to purchase brands like yourself to come onto the platform and stand by it, that we know 100% what's going out the door.
My husband and I, Andrew and I, are so passionate. We can talk produce for days and we can talk making juice for days, but we're creatives. And, I think it's really exciting for us to take what started as this little dream of ours, just wanting to enrich our community and bring them, inspiration for a healthier lifestyle, and just sort of shout it off the rooftops and have it reach a lot more people. So the juices actually last a few months from the time that you make them. They go through a process called HPP, high pressure processing, which is we make the juice, we seal it in the bottle, and then we send it to a third party where they go into this incredible machine where it's a water chamber where 87,000 pounds of pressure is applied on the water. And what it does is it kills any harmful bacteria from the juices. So women who are pregnant, people with weakened immune systems can all enjoy the juices. But what it also does is it extends the shelf life. It seals the freshness in the bottle. Now we're at a point where if we want to take it to the next level, PlantX is really that partner that we are looking forward to doing it with. What I will say about us as a team is that find us a kitchen and a team to work with, and we can put Little West and build and bring Little West anywhere you want.
Thanks for joining us every week. We see the numbers going up all the time. Keep sharing, again, subscribe, give us thumbs up. Until next time, stay curious and stay home.